Hi, welcome to Reiki with Albert. I'm Albert, the Reiki master for 10 years now. Well, but I want you to know that I'm here to help heal you. I want you to know to feel good about yourself. I want you to feel great. So we're not going to use no sage. I'm going to take the golden, the white light over your head or my hand right on top of your head, like so. And I'm going to say, I'm not going to hit you, I'm just going to gently touch you like so. See? I make believe this is you. Okay, I got you. And I'm going to say the the Reiki words. The Japanese is in Japanese. And I'll say it in my head. You have to take several deep breaths while I'm doing like that. Keep saying deep breath. I'll tell you when to stop. Just keep breathing it out, breathing out. When you breathe in and breathe out, you're sending in the clear life force energy into your body and to neutralize all negative. And with my hand on top of your head, or it can be hovering, but right here, I'm going to do like this. I'm sending it right to you. This will clean out all your chakras, all 7, and the 6 in the back, and also take care of your aurora, the 7 layers of your aurora, with my hand on you. Right there, I open up the third eye, and I see the other word, and I zap it through your body. So you are neutralized. Just watching this video, okay? Every video is different, all right? So, whatever your intent is for today. So we're going to cover everything. So that covers whatever is your intent, okay? We're going to heal that. What's wrong with you today? What's bothering you today? What's making you sad? What brought you to this video? You came to get healed. You came to get rest. You came to get relaxation. You came to feel free, to feel loved, to feel needed. And you should, because that's the way it is. This has crystals in there. So when I'm holding this, crystals is helping you heal. That's what sound is. I got it for free when the selenite came. A pouch came in there. Selenite wand. I should. Oh. Yes, I know what that is. All right, stand by. Okay, I have it here. I just have to find it. It's sometimes hard to see in the dark. Okay, the selenite. This is a sleeping stone. You put this in your bed. This is a meditation stone. You can get it in a big, thick block. I showed you about that. I wish I had that, if you guys. But things are hard now. Hopefully, if you can find one, let me know. I'll tell you how to send it to me. This, somebody on Amazon had it. He was happy. He said, "Oh, thank you again." No problem. Says this is good too. This is a very powerful stone. This is a good healing stone. If you're taking care of an elderly person, that's a good stone to have. That helps them calm themselves down if they have dementia. Okay. Here's a flower. This is a real bird's flower. See? You feel it? Okay. See? Doesn't that feel good? Gentle flower. Feather. See how this is? Flapping in the wind. That's how your life should be. Carefree. I know it's hard to live carefree. I know it's hard to live peacefully. A lot going on. Oops. Remember, to heal you is a pleasure for me. I want to heal you, and I feel it's my destiny. I was sent back to help others. I've helped so many people get back on the right trail. Sometimes some people don't want to be helped, and you can't force yourself on them. It's up to them. You know, you might have a friend that said, "Hey, I was in the neighborhood, but I was with a guy, and I couldn't come and see you and say hi." Right there, that's negative. If they really were your friend and they really wanted to come and say hi, nothing would have stopped them. They use excuses. But what you can say to them, say, "Hey, don't worry about it." That's all you say to them. Don't argue with them. Don't stress on it. Don't yell after them. They didn't want to come. Hey, then you don't contact them anymore. And then you tell them, "Hey, I got busy." But that's what a lot of people say, and they don't mean it. When they say they got busy, they're not busy. They just want to talk to you. I know it's bad, isn't it? And you shouldn't really say that either. So, So how should you handle that? Just don't say nothing to them. Those are not your friends. When they tell you, "Oh, well, I was gonna drop in, but I was with a guy." What did the guy have to do with it? You could knock on the door and say, "Hi, how you doing? I was in the area." That's the proper way. That person does not know how to be etiquette. And that person I met through a lady friend I had. That was her daughter. I teach her how to hug. She didn't know how to hug. When you see her, you hug her. When you leave, you hug her back. She didn't know how to do all that stuff. She still needs help, I see. It's a shame. But what can I do? That's the way she is. She would dump the kids off with her grandmother. With her mother, which would be her grandkids, and take off to go chase after men. But hey, she can do that. But we can never get together or do anything with her. She's always have other plans. But she has that right, to do. But sometimes you got to think about somebody else, And the kids, I feel sorry for them. They say, "When Mom coming back?" I have no idea. Mom came back late in the night. The kids are fast asleep. I don't know. Well, it's tough, I'm sure a lot of you went through something like that. So don't promise. Promises are for children. You're not a child. You're an adult. You commit. If you want to keep friends and you want to do the right thing, tell them, "Hey, I'll check in on you. Pass by." Nothing should stop you from doing that, unless your vehicle broke down. But if you didn't really want to go, just tell them, "Hey, I don't want to come. I can't. It's something I can't explain." It's all like that. You're not lying. That's better to say that than, "Hey, I was in the area. I was with a guy, and then we just drove back." That's not good. But I brush it off because I don't make it bother me. I didn't even know she was in the area. I got too much to think about. It was all right. Can't, no big deal. No big deal. Now, that's right, you there. How do you feel now? Do you feel you're grounded? You're neutralized? You feel better now, correct? Or you don't? Tell me. Speak to me. Cat got your tongue, huh? That's how they say. What did you say? You need more. Well, if you were here, I'd put you on the massage table and break out the crystals and I surround them with you. Say the ancient Japanese Reiki master healing words. Hover my hand over you and heal you from the top right down, or touch you, whichever, we can touch you, or we can hold your hand, send the energy into your body, send that energy that you're missing, that positive energy flow, and get all the chakras cleansed and healing you. So that's what you need. You need to feel healed again. You need to feel love, acceptance, admiration. You need to feel that. And if you're not getting that, then there's a problem. You gotta feel love. You gotta feel wanted. You gotta feel needed. You gotta feel accepted. You gotta have it all. And that's what I would focus on. And get that in your head. Get it right into it. Now, a session with me live, we can do meditation. We get rid of whatever's attached to you and teach you what to do to prevent yourself from getting it. If you need more session and you want that, we can do that too. Right? But you got to contact me and I'll tell you how to, contact, and I'll tell you how to get a hold of me. Mm-hmm. We have a Facebook channel page, it's a main Facebook page. It won't say Reiki without, it'll just be my main channel for all my channels, okay? There should be a link in the description. I'll add it. Just click on it and send a friend request. Once you do that, we can talk, okay? Okay, so anything else hurting you? Speak up. Nothing? Okay. We're going to do a video where I'm just going to focus on the one intent and not say anything else. And that's it. I'm explaining to you in these videos. But that's it. Okay. So we'll do another video after this. Same thing. Hand over your head. Heal you. And I'll just pick something out of random to heal you. And just focus on that. And that's it. That's how the session is. It only takes about 15 minutes to heal you. Unless something really burdening, something really on you. If you're, excuse me, but a total emotional wreck, that means you're crying, you can't stop crying. I had a woman that was like that. She said the husband didn't love her, but he said he did. And it was just a weird experience between the two. And she was from Greece, and she was telling me, she was very friendly. Was with me and with another friend. We met her. We went to a Greek restaurant, and with my psychic abilities and stuff like that, they wanted me to read the coffee cup, because in the bottom it supposed to tell them their life and destiny. I told them what I see in there. I can tell them about themselves anyway. I don't want to do that too much because people don't understand. They get scared if you tell them about them and you never spoke to them before. A lot of women on Facebook, well, not a lot, but a couple of them had to say, "Hey, Albert," I said, "Well, send me a picture of the boyfriend." So they sent me the picture of the boyfriend, and I could tell, well, he's not for you. There's something that he's doing against you. And she said, "How'd you know?" That's right. Well, they want a second opinion. That's all it is. Okay. This is a short video. Okay? Now, your part is to subscribe. If you're subscribed already, hey, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, you need to subscribe. Okay? I don't want to be a gnat about it, but, that's all I ask. I want the channel to hit 1,000. Okay? Once it hit 1,000, we're going to keep going. Okay? We're not stopping. The channel will be here. This is what I do. I do Reiki. And I also do asthma too. So I do both channels. I focus on that. The other channels I have, occasionally I'll do the tech channel and stuff like that. But right now, I'm focused on these two channels. That's it. That channel is for, the asthma channel is to relax, get the tingles, get the sensation. While on this channel, some tingles, but it's mostly for healing the mind. There is not healing the mind. Here is healing the mind. It's a little complicated, The here is spiritual and there it's not spiritual. Okay. You understand the difference? But some people attach a Reiki with asthma. I guess it's because some people talk soft. I'm soft spoken. I'm not gonna yell high pitch or something. We talk soft spoken. Whispering. A lot of people can't hear the whisper, so it's kind of difficult. So Yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching. Next video will be strictly for healing. Okay, so we have 3 videos per day. This is number 2. Number 1 was said before. Number 2 is a little mellower. Okay. Next one is one-on-one. I'm gonna heal you. I'll pick something to heal you with, and that's it. Okay. Hey, bye for now.